Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing your data. Backup documents and photos to an external drive or cloud. Once done, make sure the laptop is plugged in and battery is above half to avoid shutdown during reset. Reboot and repeatedly press ESC then F11 to open HP Recovery. This enters the recovery environment where the factory image lives. You do this because Factory Reset restores original drivers and removes persistent software issues, so prepare credentials and keys before proceeding. You now pick the reset pathway. In Recovery, choose Troubleshoot, then reset this PC, and opt for Remove Everything to perform a true factory restore. For security, choose Fully Clean the drive so deleted data cannot be recovered. This takes longer but is safer. Make sure to accept default UEFI/BIOS settings unless you previously customized them, because factory settings ensure driver and boot compatibility. During this phase, the system reinstalls Windows and OEM apps automatically, which is why you finish by completing the Windows out-of-box experience. Select language, connect to network, and create or sign into your account. Once booted, make sure to run Windows Update and HP Support Assistant to fetch the latest drivers and firmware. This prevents stability issues. If the reset fails or the recovery image is corrupted, use HP System Diagnostics or create USB recovery media on another PC and reinstall. One key troubleshooting tip: check the hard drive health in diagnostics. Hardware faults often block successful reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.